Welcome back to Autosport Designs. Today we're going to be looking at this 2010 BMW 535i xDrive M Sport Wagon. Beautiful carbon black, which is a very dark blue, over black leather interior. Very well optioned. Hop on in, do a cold start, tell you all about it. Okay, so here we are in our 2010 BMW 535i xDrive M Sport Wagon. We will do a cold start here, stick the key in there, press the start stop button. She fires right up. 86,511 miles on it at the moment. We will warm her up a little bit and we'll be back to you. Okay, so here we are. We have a little temperature in our 2010 BMW 535i xDrive M Sport Wagon. Everything works. Got a great stereo here, XM radio, Bluetooth, nice BMW horn, no warning lights. Got a little fuel, got a miles per gallon gauge as well. Really feels solid, drives straight, brakes feel good, good power, very well serviced. The most recent owner is a BMW collector. He's had 4 of these wagons, absolutely loves them. This car was bought in 2019, serviced. All the service history has been scanned and up for viewing pleasure and perusal. Really good power, no hesitation, shifts excellent, good responsive handling. Great sunroof, again very well optioned with the M Sport package. Crack open the sunroof here, let the sun shine in, as they say. Brakes straight as could be, accelerates great, power everything as you'd expect from a BMW. Great pickup, all-wheel drive for all season long. Really dead quiet, no noises, no vibrations. Really nice sorted car. We'll come up here to the S's and we'll be back to you. Okay, here we are at the S's. Again, for a wagon, tremendous, not only acceleration, but great steering response. The all-wheel drive definitely helps with the acceleration. And just a solid, quiet car. Beautiful carbon black, which is a very dark blue exterior, black leather, M Sport wheel, 6 CD changer, obviously air conditioning, nice and cold today. Full panoramic sunroof as well. Really nice car. Again, 2010 BMW 535i xDrive M Sport Wagon. Really, again, drives solid as could be, no noises, doesn't pull, brakes straight, no vibrations, good power, well optioned. This beautiful wood, panoramic sunroof. We will take her to the farm road. We'll give her a run and we'll be back to you. Again, full power, heated seats, really well optioned on this car. Coming up to the farm road here. We'll step on it a little bit. I tell you, it is no slouch for a wagon. That BMW engine is tremendous. Shifting perfectly. Cruise. This car feels like you could cruise all day long. Definitely a great car for any kind of, you want to go to dinner with it, take it to the club, golfing, bringing kids back or to college, or even great handling, sporty as could be. Well, hope you guys enjoyed this 2010 BMW M Sport 535i xDrive wagon. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you're not subscribed already. And we will catch you on the next one. Have a great day.